Hi, my name is Vachana Rose, the speech and language therapist here at Britus International School Special Education. Here at Britus School, we have a lot of achievements and growth we have seen in different kids. So one such person I would like to talk is Abdulla. As a speech therapist, we need to work on all his goals. So we brought him into the room, I sat with him. It's building a rapport with the child. A one-on-one rapport with the child. I started building the trust he required. Then coming to the speech of communication, the goals of speech we worked on is eye contact. Then we used a lot of musical toys, singing. He used to love rhymes. He liked all the tickling games. He started, when we asked question, he started answering in a word. He started picking up things, he started saying one word, then he started saying two words. Now he's talking a lot in the sense like he used to look at you when you speak to him, or when the teacher says something, he says a word, he smiles at you, he's happy in the class. So that's what the great achievement as a speech therapist I feel. So yes, I'm happy about Abdullah.